Winter in Mammoth Lakes? Absolutely gorgeous, but your car, it's going to need some help. When the roads get slick, your car starts ice skating. That's when snow chains come to the rescue. Chains must be carried in your vehicle November through April, regardless of weather conditions. First up, R1. That means snow chains for all you two-wheelers. Four-wheel drive with snow tires? You're in the clear, for now. Then there's R2. Yup, even the tough guys need chains now. Unless you're rocking four-wheel drive with snow tires, you still feeling lucky? And finally, the big one, R3. Everybody, and we mean everybody, has to chain up. Even the snowplows. Better yet, just stay put if you can. R3 is serious business.
We're going skiing. We're going skiing.
Nah, bro, you wrap it around the wheel first. Trust me, I saw it in a video once.
Nah, bro, you have to lay them out first and then drive over them. Watch and learn.
Oh, yeah, that's exactly what I was about to do.
Totally. Teamwork makes the dream work. I knew we should have practiced this at home first.
Pro tip, don't be the person holding up traffic to chain up in the middle of the road. Use the designated chain up zones. They're there for a reason, and bonus, you won't get honked at. Always check road conditions and chain restrictions at dot.ca.gov before and during travel. Chain up. It's a Mammoth thing.